Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Jezabel B. Ignacio, 27 years old, from Philippines, married with 2 children, ages 7 years old boy and 2 years old girl. My highest educational attainment is 2 years undergrad with a course of BS in Hotel and Restaurant Management at CBC IDC Santiago, Isabela. I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 2 years since 2019 to 2021. I serve one couple and 3 children ages 10, 5, and 3 years old. My duties are do the household chores, sending the 10-year-old boy at the school, go to the market, and taking care of all the children. To my employer, please choose me because I will do my duties and responsibilities and willing to learn new things. I really need this job to help my family financially. I promise to follow the do's and don'ts and to didn't disappoint you. I'm looking forward to work with you. Thank you.